Hey guys, what's up? It's Nika with Fashion Nika. There's definitely been some changes in my life. First off, with these bangs. I never had bangs in my entire life. It's been the weirdest thing because now I've had to style my hair every single day, which is an added step to my morning. Also, my second change is the thing that is making a sound in the background, which you'll most likely be hearing the rest of these videos all the time because that's all I hear. But yeah, these sounds are coming from Kingston. Say hello. I got a puppy. I know, I got a puppy this year. Playing my boyfriend, he's been wanting a Frenchie. I've been wanting a dog in general, and we found him on Craigslist. He was just so cute, couldn't help it. Oh, I love you so much. He's a 1-year-old French bulldog. His name is Kingston. King for short. We're gonna do a little plug. Follow him out at the French Kingston. Okay, say bye. Kiss. Good kiss. Now that you guys are up to date with, you know, everything that has changed in the past couple of months, I have decided to do a haul, and oh my god, I'm so excited to be doing this haul. I just discovered this brand called SecChic and fell in love with their clothing. They'll speak for themselves. I have like a whole stack like right here next to me. I'm really excited to share it with you guys. If you are interested in any of the pieces, I'll provide the links down below. I can't wait to share this brand because I have fallen head over heels for them. They're just such cute pieces. And if you are like trying to figure out sizing, I would say size up. They do tend to run slightly smaller. So if you're kind of trying to figure out what size to get, I would go bigger. But anyways, let's get on with this video. First item that I picked out was this outfit right here. I got this sweatshirt skirt set. I am so in love with it. I don't even really wear skirts. I've kind of been trying to dabble in my skirt game because I think I own like a total of 2 skirts. So this is officially my third. I love the green on it, and I just love the style. When I saw it on the model, oh my god, she looked so good. She styled it with like a bucket hat and some sneakers. I would style it as is, again with some sneakers as well. I did tuck in the top portion to make it look like a crop because I'm 5 feet, so like I look too short if I didn't like tuck it in. But yeah, I love it. It's kind of like a loungewear-esque type of outfit, which is great because now that I'm just staying at home doing nothing with my life, just kidding. Yeah, on the weekends I just stay home, and this is the perfect outfit to do that. I love the color again, and the sleeves, typically sweatshirts are really long on me, but the length of it is perfect. The thing that I love about sets is you can really wear them like separately or together. Either way is super cute. Like for example, this sweatshirt, I could easily just wear it with some high-waist denim, call it a day. And then for the skirt, I can wear like a cream sweater and then tuck in the sweater and with some boots or something, and it's still super cute. But obviously I love the set trend, so most likely I'll be wearing it as a set. The next item that I picked up, you know, I have such a love for layering, so I think I have like 100 jackets, I kid you not, in my closet. It's just so unique and different. I have never seen this style before. It's kind of like a utilitarian vibe, but like I love the double-breasted pockets and the fact that it is a tweed utilitarian. It makes it like classy, like edgy in a way. I was really vibing with this one, and I also love that the sleeves, you can tie it. It's light enough for the springtime still. You could also layer it during the winter time with a sweater. I definitely think this is like a year-round jacket. So the next piece that I picked up were these little taupe trousers. I am like so in need. I love wearing this kind of trouser with like sweaters. It's really a good piece to own. I would even say that it's a staple. This is the pant that you need to own. I own one black one, and I'm really happy. Oh, and I own a white one, but I'm really happy that I decided to grab this color because this goes really nicely with both black and cream. Really good with the neutrals, but I love the fit of it. Thank goodness that it fit me because I was like, it was almost to the point where it was too tight. So yeah, really excited that I grabbed the correct size. I really like this piece, and I think it'll get a lot of mileage in my wardrobe. When you buy a bunch of stuff and you have a haul, there is bound to be a miss, and this is definitely a miss on my end. I fell in love with it on the model. Like everything always looks good on these like 5'10" models, but then I like keep forgetting, hey girl, you're actually 5 feet. So yeah, this is not really gonna work for me. I'll show you guys what it looks like on just so you can get an idea, but basically it's a 2-piece and it is this really cute dress, like a long maxi dress. Honestly, I could probably wear this like as is, but just not together with this. So basically this is like a minty, I don't know if the color is picking up on camera. Model wore it like this and then put this over, kind of like a little jacket. I wasn't the biggest fan. Like, it looked so good on the model. I'm gonna pause the video really quick. After trying on this outfit, I just styled it a little bit differently. Now I'm wearing it over the shoulder, and so just forget everything I said. I really do like this outfit together. I don't know, I really like it. Something happened, but okay, this is me styling it now. I am so excited about this next set. Yes, I said set because your girl loves her sets. Got this really cute piece that I am going to milk because I just love this kind of color, and this blazer is just everything. I love, and then the double buttons, so cute. But then it comes with a high waist short. I'm just gonna have to show you guys what it looks like on because there is no hanger appeal with this one, but I'm gonna wear this like crazy. I was even thinking of wearing it with a super cute like white ribbed crop top, throw on these shorts, and then, you know, maybe some heels. But I love this. This is such a good transitional piece into the spring/summertime. I think I mentioned already in this video that I really want to like dive into the skirt realm. I like don't really wear skirts, but I decided to not only pick up, you know, the skirt that's with this outfit, but I picked up this ribbed cream skirt. Oh my gosh, I am in love. Love the quality of this. Like, even for all of these pieces, by the way, you guys, like, I am floored. I was not expecting the quality to be this good. It does feel like that kind of quality material that is gonna last for years. That's also why I believe it is a higher price point, but that's what I'm saying. Like, I feel like because it is a higher price point, you're really gonna get your mileage with these pieces because they're such good quality and they're really classic styles. So it's timeless. You'll wear this for years. And that's why, again, I am so head over heels for this brand because, you know, they're just speaking my language. I just like pieces that go with everything. I thought it'd be really cute, like throwing it over a sweatshirt or a sweater, a bunch of different ways to style it. This next piece, I am so sad that I found this at like the end of the winter time, but you know what, because of the color, I believe I'll be able to style it going into the spring, you know, when it's like spring showers, hopefully. But this little coat is like the cutest thing ever. It's so classic. Honestly, it reminds me of like so many different designers. Quality, again, is right there with them. The overall style of this is so classic. Love the little belted feature. You can really cinch the waist. I really love the quality. That's what really makes me so drawn to this brand. The next item is another set. This is like my favorite set though. I'm a little biased because it's just like the cutest thing. I've never owned something like this before. It's giving me major Chanel vibes. This tweed coat with like the gold buttons, so stinking cute, with a matching tweed pair of high-waist shorts. I am so obsessed with this. The quality is so good. This is a really good summer piece. You know, honestly, it could even be winter. It's just such a very classy piece that I definitely needed in my closet, and I didn't even know I needed it. But yeah, this has to be like one of my absolute favorite finds because it's just so different from what I own. Okay, we're gonna move on to the last item, which is like my absolute favorite. I don't know, I always get so excited like when I'm showing you the like ones that I'm so like just wanting to share. Okay, anyways, let's move on to the last piece. Honestly, you're gonna like laugh because it's so simple in a sense, but I have been looking for, you know, that good layer coat that really matches anything, like literally anything, and I finally found it, and it just so happens to be this cutie. It is a wool oatmeal colored coat, and the reason I am dying over it is because it's thin enough to be a year-round coat, and that says a lot. One little button closure and then pockets on each side, and you know, it's just like it's gonna be my best friend. I already know it. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you loved the haul as much as I did. Any questions, leave them down below, comments, whatever. I also left all the links down below in case you are interested. But yeah, thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, hugs and kisses. Bye guys.